Every year in Europe, there are more than 1 million whiplash injuries in car accidents. The cause is inadequate head support. It's a matter that many manufacturers still neglect. Volker Sandner of the ADAC, the largest automobile association in Europe, is an expert in the field of seating systems. The economic costs here are extremely high. In percentage terms, there are very, very many accidents which ultimately result in whiplash injury. A new European test procedure initiated by the ADAC will in future be integrated into the Euro NCAP rating tests. Only 5 out of 25 cars were rated good and 8 were even rated poor. Among those with good ratings are the Alfa Mito and the test winner, the Volvo XC60. The BMW X3 and Mercedes ML are only average. Small cars in particular, like the Suzuki Splash, still have inadequate protection against whiplash injuries. This is worrying since small cars are more likely to be found in city traffic and more often involved in rear-end collisions. But how is this actually tested? A rear-end collision isn't simulated by a normal crash test, but by an experiment on a test sled. A special crash test dummy is used whose whole spine has the same dynamic properties as the human spine. At the top and bottom of the cervical spine, there is a row of sensors to measure force and acceleration. These measures the stress on the cervical spine and the movement between head and upper torso. Only by adjusting the whole seating system can the risk of injury and collisions be reduced. But what can you do yourself to avoid injury? Of course, it's very important that the seat is properly adjusted, otherwise you won't get full protection. That means that the seat back should be as upright as possible. In addition, the headrest should be adjusted to the best position for the passenger. That means it should reach at least to the crown of the head, if not a little higher, and the headrest should be as close as possible to the back of the head. We're talking about 40 millimeters distance between the back of the head and the headrest. Every manufacturer that aims for 5 stars in the European NCAP test, like the test winner, the Volvo XC60, will in future no longer be able to avoid an assessment of the seats and headrests.